chair.
But no, like to lick
Hard to take. I'll always be faithful, that's what I'd be. Never bite the hand that feeds me. No siree, just lead a dog like what I like. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me.
The dog licking.
I find me a faithful poodle and lose my noodle over her. Chase her around all over town just to ruffle up her fur. No little muzzle, a hole in her paw. Greatest case of puppy loving you ever saw. It's called a dog's life. What a life. That's good enough for me. You heard me say that. That's good enough for me.
trying to fly a helicopter.
That's good enough for me.
Behave yourself. This evening had better be worth what I'm going through right here.
I'll buy you the biggest steak you ever had. Thank God you catch good.
You cat's cool. It's the dog.
Yeah.
Have it fair.
They must be hungry.
Hungry. It's probably sick. Oh.
You're taking us in, you calm down.
I'm gonna tongue tie.
Now, Sam,
Oh, dear.
Oh my god.
working on you. Get him all gone out. That's what you're doing.
Oh.
What are they gonna? They're not gonna cry.
Nah, no, got close.
I can't see.
Yes, it.
That's some fancy helicopter flying.
You rude hog!
There ought to be a law against such an outrage.
I got his number.
Uh-oh.
This is the day, Ruggles. This is the big day we've been waiting for.
Oh, you should see how the dogs end up.
Yeah, the real mess up, aren't they?
It's their first flight without me. They're growing up. Oh, Ruggles, I hope to heaven my little ones didn't get airsick.
How did they get bandaged up?
My babies. My babies. My babies, what have they done to you? Look at them. Just look at them. How can I ever Show them. What have you done to my precious babies?
Well, look what they've done to me.
Well, they're just fine, ma'am. You see, we had a little party on the way over. With dancing and music and doggy yum-yums.
You've fed them dog food? How dare you!